Welcome back to coding. Today we're going to learn something really fast, which is something called libraries. So there is a function called randint, and let's say I create a variable here. So I'm going to create a variable called number, and number equals randint with a range between 0 and 10. And I'm going to go ahead and print number. I'm going to run this, and it's not going to work. It says name error, randint is not defined on line 1 in program. So the way Python and many other languages work is they have these things called libraries. Libraries are places where you can find other pieces of code that somebody else has already written and use them for your own purposes. So the way you use a library is you say import random. And what this line does, this import random, is it basically says, please open up a toolbox of tools that are all called random. And randint is one of those tools. So now, if I want to use the tool from the toolbox random, I have to say number equals random.randint, 0 to 10, print number. So what I've done here is I've said, please get the toolbox random, make a number. I could have called this number anything, like shoe size, underscore size. Shoe size equals random.randint. From the toolbox random, please use randint and create something 0 to 10. Print the number. So if I hit run, why is it not working? Number is not defined. Oops. Yeah, you have to use the same variable name. Right here I have number, here I have shoe size. I've got to change this back to shoe size. Okay, so let's go ahead and run this. And up pops 0. If I run it again, now it says 5 over here. If I run it again, it says 10, 6, 0. It's giving me random numbers between 0 and 10, including 0, by the way. It'll give me up to 0 and 10. So random is a tool that we are going to use in our next program, which is called Guess My Number. But you need to know how to use libraries, and it's pretty easy. You just say import, and then you name the library. So this library is called random. And then if you want to use something from the library, such as randint, you say from the library random dot randint. So this allows you to use something from a library. I actually don't even remember what the other functions are in random, but there's always a great way to find stuff out, which is called the internet. So I'm going to say, what are the functions of random in Python? So I'm going to see what else is in the random library. So it may tell me, here we go, Python random library. What else is in there? Well, I can do random, get the next random number in the range, so that's what I did here. Oh, but that uses, so that actually can be for floating point numbers, things with decimals. Rand range start stop, get the next random number in the range start stop, okay. Rand range stop, get the next random number in the range 0 to stop, okay. And let's see, flip a coin. If rand range 2 equals 0, so it's going to be a coin flip here. Rand range. So I just wanted to use randint, so I used randint, but it looks like you could also do rand range. Doesn't really matter, but if you wanted to learn more about random, you could learn more about what the random library contains. Anyway, what you need to know is that I can do randint. Maybe I can also do this. I wonder, random 0 to 10. I'm going to try this. Run. No, didn't like that. Rand range. No. Import random dot rand range. That probably will work. Yeah, that does work. You could do rand range instead of randint. If you don't want to keep typing random, you can say from, I think you can do from random import rand range. I think you can also do this, and then you don't have to say this anymore. Pretty sure this will work. Let's try that. Yep. So if you don't want to keep having random over and over, you can just say from the library, please get the tool rand range. Actually, I think I like that even more. So from the library, random, import the function rand range. and then I can just start using the rand range. Yeah, that's better. Let's use that. Anyway, that's how to use libraries and import things from libraries.